It's a WooCommerce managed hosting. If you guys are looking to build a WooCommerce website, so here's the Rapyd Cloud for you. Or if you're looking for the fast hosting plan, if you are tired of slow speed and high traffic on your website, you can migrate to the Rapyd Cloud. The WooCommerce managed hosting for unmatched performance. It is very good for a small organization as well as large organization. It will easily handle your high traffic and give you the best performance with a high speed. So before we go ahead to build a WooCommerce site, give a one look at the overview of this hosting. So guys, you can see it's a 14 days money back guarantee. So no worry, if you do not like, you can cancel anytime in 14 days. Now we give a one look at this. It gives you the 24/7, 365 days live chat support availability. So here is, when you come to the Trustpilot score, it's 4.8 star, 10x performance, 97% satisfaction with less than 45-second response time. Now give a one look at this chart. Here's the Rapyd Cloud and here is cost without a Rapyd Cloud. So here are some of the services like CDN, is Object Case Pro, Relay, Lightspeed Enterprise, it's a WordPress security, server security, free SSL, backups, free migration, uptime monitoring. So cost without a Rapyd Cloud, you can see all these services gonna charge you all total of around $380 plus per month. With Rapyd Cloud hosting, you are getting all these for free. This is a plus point. Give a look at this. So before using the Rapyd Cloud and after using the Rapyd Cloud. So what exactly Rapyd Cloud hosting give you is page took almost 60 seconds to load and it was frustrating the users. The site is speed improved markedly. The social, you can say the social platform load was too much of their previous hosting. Rapyd effectively identified the errors and resolved the issue. The user consistently reported the sluggish performance. What Rapyd did is received all the Rapyd users received the personalized expert support and continuous optimizations. One more thing is the hosting platform had a high learning curve. The Rapyd provided flawless and seamless migrations with no cost. You don't have to pay any amount for the migrations, and even you have a 14 days money back guarantee. So no worry, you are not making a loss in any way if you do not like this hosting service. So guys, now we give one look at what people are talking about Rapyd Cloud. So he talks about the speed. We love the fast our site is running. So his site is running really very fast. Migration was also excellent and pricing too. Now he talks about the significantly improve the speed of his site. It's a body force, it's a members pass website. He talks about the 40% less. So monthly cost. His monthly cost is 40% less than what he was previously paying for the host. And Rapyd Cloud is providing him a much resource for a low cost. Similar, we come down and look at some of the more users review. After 20 years in the web development, he tried most well-known hosting companies. All gave him a dissatisfaction. Some with a high price, some with little benefits, some with the interface. But he's all the way satisfied with the Rapyd Cloud, the perfect solutions for dynamic WordPress site. So you can look down to many more review. The customer have given lots of positive review for this Rapyd Cloud. So you can try this one. I really recommend you to try it once. So we'll come down to the Trustpilot score is a 4.8. It's a 137 review. Even the G2 ratings is much better. It's a 5-star rating. So guys, here you can see it's a monthly plans, annual plans, and 2 years plans. So 3 different plans over here. So no any kinds of unexpected charges that you have to pay. So we see this is a light plan. You have a startup plans and performance. So 3 different types of plan. This startup plan is much popular. So you can go with the monthly plans. When you are paying monthly, it's gonna cost a little bit higher. So since you can see it's $35 per month. So when you go with annual plans, you have to pay only $29 per month. When you go with the 2 yearly plans, you have to pay only $26 per month. So even you are getting 6 months free. So what you can see over here is whichever plan you want, you can choose over here depending upon the business size. Here you have you can manage the plans. You can see, let me show you. So you can see here you have 200,000 visit, 30 GB SSD. When you increase, the price can increase a little bit depending upon your business type and size. You can choose the plans. So here you are added 18 auto scaling supercharged PSP workers with a 50 GB of SSD storage and 200,000 visits. Now here also you can you can manage the plans. So startup 2, it's 800,000 visits, 55 auto scaling supercharged PSP workers with 100 GB of SSD storage. Now here you have a 73 with a 1 million visit. Here you have a 91 with a 1.3 million visit, 1.6 million visit, 109 auto scaling supercharged PSP workers. So depending upon the size of your business, you can choose the plans. Here also you can choose the plans as per your needs. So you have a 3.1 million visits with 182 auto scaling supercharged PSP workers and 150 GB of SSD storage. 3.8 million visits, 219. So it's how it is 255, 4.4 million visit. And this is rated for a very large business, 5.1 million estimated visits and 292 auto scaling supercharged PSP workers. And all these plans are for a single site. You can see it's one website. So in details, you can go with it. Here you have several other features included. So what this guy was talking about, Rapyd Cloud is providing him much resource for a lower price. So here are much resources that you can be getting with these plans that you're gonna look into one by one. So link in the video description, you can visit and give a look. So guys, let me view one website. It's a WooCommerce website, and I'm going to choose this startup plan. So let me start it for free. And here you can just log in either with LinkedIn, GitHub, or a Google account. You can manually sign up with your email address. If you already have an account, you can click on login to log in into your account. So I have logged in into my accounts, and you can see here I have all the order summary. So 24 for months plans, I'm paying around $2,136. When I renew on 2027 March 6, I'll renew at the same price. So no hidden cost. Either you can start it for free trial or start immediately. You do not have a risk on starting immediately as well as a free trial, because you can cancel any times. Even if you start immediately, 14 days money back guarantee you have. You can, in 14 days, if you do not like the service, you can cancel any times. So here you have, you can choose the account type, organization, or a individual. So payment method you can choose as a PayPal or card. You have 2 options. If you have any kinds of discount, check the video description. Maybe sometimes some discount code available. If available, you can use the discount code over here and click on apply in order to apply for any kinds of discount over here. And click on start a free trial. Okay guys, before we go and start building website, I'll tell you about a couple of more features of this Rapyd Cloud. It's flexibility and scalability. So what flexibility is, whenever you like, you can downgrade and upgrade your plans based upon the necessity, based on upon the performance of your website and traffic. If you want to upgrade or downgrade, you can easily do that. Sometimes you get unexpected traffic, millions of traffic starts coming to your website. In that case, what do you do? Whether this Rapyd Cloud will be able to handle the traffic. So no worry about that. It will suddenly, if you start, it suddenly gets the traffic into your website, it will suddenly manage the necessary RAMs, necessary CPU required in order to handle the traffic, and it will easily handle those certain high traffic. That is why it's scalability is one of its features. And sometime if you surpass the bandwidth, so you don't have to worry about that. Your site remains live, and you will be charged only 0.20 per GB of bandwidth, extra bandwidth you are using. Now after you make a payment, you will see this dashboard here you have, and now we'll start creating a website. So in case you guys want to do the migration, you can request the migrations, but I'm not requesting the migration. I'm just going to create a website. Okay, I want to use the plan I have already purchased. Click on continue. So the plan is startup level 1. This is the one plan I have purchased. Let me go ahead. The site names, I need to get the domain names. So let me test Rapyd. Test Rapyd Cloud performance. So this is my site name. So domain names. So PER. So performance test. So let it be as it is. So you have an option to choose, go with the highest levels. It's add WooCommerce to the site. Click on add sites. So site has been added successfully. So you can see it is creating a website. So it's a PHP 8.3. So WordPress, storage, CPU, RAM, everything. It's getting ready. And once it finishes creating, we'll go ahead. Okay, here we have the website is ready. We have a WordPress 6.7.2 installed. It is using the storage of 4.6 GB, CPU 1%, and RAM 18%. Now here's a WP admin. We're going to click on it. It can ask us for the username or password maybe. So don't worry about the username and password. In case it asks for the username and password, once it has successfully created the website, check your email. You'll get the username and password for the WP admin on your email. So here we have, it's a admin panel where we can manage our site. So most of you guys already know to use this WordPress admin panel. It's very much user friendly and easy to use. So very first we have created a website over here. So let me visit the website. So here it is. So this is the website we have created. It's a performance test. Go back to the dashboard. You can see some of the, in case if you want to, here's the home tabs, update, post, media, page, comments, the WooCommerce, product, payments, analytics, marketings, appearances, plugin, user, tools, settings, something like elastic press, light speed case is the collapse menu. So it's very easy to use every stuff that you need in order to develop the website the way you want. So all the necessary stuff that you need to in order to make any kinds of editing work you can do is you click on edit site, so you can edit it. Click on get started, and here is your website. Which sections you want to edit, you can edit it in a easy way. Let's say you want to edit some pictures, so you click on it, and here you have all the tools necessary. If you want to replace, you can replace. The easy to edit the website, so whichever sections you want to edit, just click on it and you can edit it. So let me go back, and here there's some updates available over. If you want to make updates, just select it and click on update plugins, and now it will start updating. Go to update sections again, and here are some more stuff to update. So click on update themes, it will update. When you go to the payments, okay, just give some time. It's under maintenance. We just made some update. It just takes some time, not much. Just walk around and come back after a few minutes, and you're gonna refresh the site. You can see it's done with the maintenance. So it happened when it asks you for the login. You're gonna enter the password, username, and here it is. Now still we have our payment. We have made all the necessary updates. It's a payment. So here we have install WoW payment for free. So let me install it. So it's gonna ask you to log into the WooCommerce. You have to log in. You have to select the business locations, and you have to fill all these details. So here you have options to fill up, and click on continue. It will take some time and set up for you. Okay guys, click on add information. You're gonna add your strip account. If you don't have one, you'll have to create ones where you can add your all the bank details and start receiving money. So let me go back to the dashboard. So I'll see from the beginning itself. So in dashboard, here you have a WooCommerce. Click on WooCommerce. Click on set up my store. Again, I am just starting my business, and click on continue. So guys, here you're gonna fill all the details and click on continue. So here you're gonna see all this. So if you don't want, you're gonna uncheck the box as per the necessity, and then click on continue. So you have all the three options right over here together. So WooCommerce is the product and payments. So I told you about the payments. Here's about the product. If you want to create a new products, so recently we set up the WooCommerce store. Now you can just start customizing, make all the necessary changes if you want to make to this WooCommerce store. And here you have order. You can manage the order, customers, coupons, and along with that you can create coupons over here if you want to create. So along with all this, here you have settings. In settings, you can make all the necessary changes with respect to currency, so multi-currency. So you can add or remove the currency. Here you have advanced, and or you can make all the necessary changes like checkout endpoints, page setups, account endpoints, all the necessary things that you want to make changes to as per your need. So site visibility, integrations, emails, account privacy. Here you have a payment. It's a WOW payment, direct bank transfer. It's a check payment or cash on delivery. You can enable, you can finish all the setups as per the availability. And here you have shipping, and if you want, you can delete. If you want to add any zones, you can add over here. Here you have the product. Any changes you want to make to this shop page, you can make. So general sections, if you want to make any changes to the store addresses and all. So you can check for the status right over here for any kinds of status like system status, tool, log, and serial action. Now here you have a product. So at first we can test it. In order to test, we can add one product. So I create one product. So I'm going to create one product. Your name to the product. Test a Rapyd Cloud. Hosting service. You can add any descriptions over here, product descriptions. It's a simple product. It's a downloadable product or virtual product. So if you're gonna mention over here, you're gonna mention the price. Let me see, I'm going to do it 400. Sales price also. Okay. Even you can set all the date to 28. Sales price. Okay, I'll set it to 85. So it is already okay. It is already zeros from 19 to 26. Now product sub descriptions if you want to add, and here you have, you can save draft. If you want, you can preview it. So if you want to preview it, just click on preview, and here it is. This is how it's gonna look. So descriptions, so review, currently no review, and here it is. You can add to the cart and all. So I'll click on publish. So some other necessary changes that you would like to make, you can move to trash, copy the new draft. It's a product gallery, product category if you would like to add this product to certain category, product tags, brand, and here you have light speed options. It's a disable case, disable image, lazy load. It's a disable VPI. Whatever changes if you want to make, you can make over here. So Google for WooCommerce. So if you want to set up, you can check the you can click on the complete setup button to complete the setup to get the product listed in the Google for free. So if you do this setup, your product will be listed for free in the Google. Now once you have created the product, we can directly view the product from here. Here we can add the product to the cart. Click on add to cart, and finally we can go to the cart. So I've added it thrice, and here we can just go to checkout and go with the payment process in order to finish the payment and purchase of the product. So let me go back to the dashboard, and here you have. So WooCommerce, product, and payment. All three different setups. You can do it very easily. It's so easy to do the payment setup, so easy to create the product, and so easy to manage this WooCommerce store. So all you have over here in one place. To home, order, it's customers, coupons, report. Even you can look at the report if you want. So all the report you're gonna see right over here. So all the order, customers, and even stocks. So easy to manage the WooCommerce stores, products, and payments. This it's very easy over this dashboards in Rapyd Cloud. Now we give one look at this now. So here it is. If you want to look at the details, website stat. So here it is. You can see the traffic on your website, traffic limit, inbound traffic, outbound traffic, CPU uses, RAM, local storage. You are using 5 GB used of 100 GB. It's a backup storage. You have 200 GB over here. It's startup level 1. It's a created date and all this. It's a startup level 1. You can add a custom domains, and here it is. Even you can add a stacking. So here's the WordPress. You can see WordPress versions, the latest one. Roll back to the WordPress. Even you have a rollback options for the WordPress version if you want to roll back. The WooCommerce theme over here. So I gonna check this one's latest versions. Okay. Now here you have plugins. So lots of plugin active. Some of the plugins are inactive. If you want, if you want to use it, you can install these plugins also from the dashboard. So here we have a dashboard. You can gonna go to the plugins. So we had a plugins over here. So tools. Here we have a plugins, and here you have all the plugins. If you want to install any plugins, click on activate to activate it. So you can see here you have all the plugins, and here you have a stats. You can see the statistics of your websites. So RAM limit, RAM uses, CPU uses and limit. So traffic limit, inbound traffic, outbound traffics and all. Here you have a backup. You can see you can schedule the backup. The last backup performed and backup storage used. If you want to create, you can manually create the backup. Download this backup immediately. So click on it and click on create. So it will immediately download you can see it started creating backup. Go to settings, and here you have domains, server. You can see it's log, file access, file manager. Here you have, if you want to make any changes, if you want to add any new files to it. Security. It's a web application firewall, so do not worry about the security. It really provides you the optimal security. So far the best security it is necessary, it will provide you. So you have a PHP Edge, in case if you want to clear all the keys. In case here you have cron jobs. In case if you want to migrate, you can request migrations. In case if you want to delete, click on delete sites and your site will be deleted. These actions will be immediately delete this website, including all file, database, table and backups. Along with the backups, it will delete everything. So this is you have over here in this. So if you guys are really thinking of setting up the WooCommerce store, you're gonna try this. It's a Rapyd Cloud. You'll really love it. You must try once, and you have a 14 days money back guarantee too. So no worry, just give one try at least for 14 days. Check the performance of your website.